Honey, I'm home. Greg? Greg? I'm sorry, okay? I just got massive blue balls and I had to practice. Please don't be mad. How mad are you?
Oh, I'm not mad, Jason.
Dude, we said we wouldn't use the voice on each other.
We said a lot of things.
This is Greg, right?
Who else would it be?
Where are you? I want to tell you about it. Oh, by the way, we should go to that frat party. Tara's going.
What was it like?
Not on the phone, man. And seriously, turn off the fucking voice modulator.
I'm just trying to get the voice right. You got to have your practice, I get mine.
Whatever.
Just tell me what it felt like. Then maybe I'll come out.
Dude, I know you're not here.
Humor me.
All right, fine. It was even better than we ever could have imagined. I mean, when the knife went in her, it's like she wasn't human anymore. Just an animal. And every time it went in, she was less and less human. And then she was just meat.
But she wasn't just meat, Jason. She was a person, our film professor.
Yeah, well, fuck her. She gave me a C- on my Jalo paper.
Is that why you killed her? Because of the C-? Who's next, your grade school vice principal?
You know who's next. Why are you being like this?
Come on, Jason. How long have we known each other?
You tell me.
8 years. We met in junior high in Atlanta. I just want you to tell me why you think you're doing this, in your words.
We're finishing Richie's film.
That's right, by killing Sam and Tara.
Why are you fucking with me? Why won't you tell me where you are?
Why do you keep asking me that? I already told you. I'm here. Let's play a game. Do you know warmer, colder? Come on. Find me, and then we'll go and cut up the Carpenter sisters.
Are you using the fucking cameras?
Yeah, the cameras. And at the moment, you're very, very cold.
All right, douchebag. Let's play.
Cold. Heating up. Warmer. Warmer.
All right, you know what? This is stupid. I'm gonna hang up now.
But you're getting warmer. Colder. Warmer. Warmer. You're on fire. Do you feel like an animal, Jason?
Like meat.
But we have to finish the movie.
Who gives a fuck about movies?
Let it begin. Push it away, but it's pulling me in. Try to pretend I'm not aware when I do it again. I know the signs. I see the pattern in front of my eyes.